Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to work on Project 100. I have 7-page kits that I need to get done. It was for a crop that I was going to at the end of October, actually in 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks exactly. And I don't know, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to go with everything that's going on in the world. Yesterday, we were told, like, the area that I'm living in, it's not doing well. So we're going on what they're calling a circuit breaker. So basically to stop what's going on right now. And it's at least for 2 weeks. And it starts this Friday. So that brings it up to the date that we were, going to go. But I don't know if it'll be enough. So might not be going right yet. Might have to wait. I don't know if she's going to reschedule or what. But hopefully I'm going to keep plugging away. I'm not stopping because, I want to make sure that I'm ready so that if it comes at a moment's notice, I can just go, yeah, I'm ready. I got my 50-page kits. So I'm going to keep going. And, maybe a little discouraged this morning, but we're going to keep going. So I'm going to do 3 today. So what I like to do is, let me see if this is going to be, I think I'm going to go with the lighter. And yeah, the lighter solid is I kind of prepped 3-page kits. And what I mean by that is I went into the container. I kind of, got the page kit. If it didn't have a background, I got a cardstock background. Oh, see, this doesn't belong in here. And then I grab some extra stuff to try to put on there. And we'll see, how much stuff I end up putting on there. My brain is kind of all over the place because, just kind of grappling with stuff and I've already done quite a few things this morning. I seem to always do like my YouTube stuff, sort of the last thing. And I'm making sure that I'm making time for it. But by the time I actually get to do this, my brain's a little tired. So bear with me, please. I was going to do a layout today, but I think I'm just not in the mood. So I thought I'll do 3 more. Then I'll only have 4 left to do. Hopefully I can do it before the end of this week. And then at least my 50-page kits will be well on their way. What about this? No. Okay, I'm going to look in here and try to add a couple things because I find in my containers I don't have a lot of purple stuff. And I've been talking about getting some more embellishments kind of separated and put in there. So that might be something that I do later on this week. That's a nice brain. You don't have to think much when you do that. You just do it. So that might be actually one good thing to do before I continue. Do you know what I mean? Because when your mind is kind of thinking about a lot of stuff, it's hard. It's hard to focus and, do what you need to do. But I think the separating of stuff would be a good thing to do. So I think there's enough stuff here. I'm going to be happy with this. You know, one good thing is, you know, I need, you know, paper kits or page kits. I need page kits in my scrap room because I'm down to one. So I definitely need that. So it's not as if this is, you know, a loss. It's not as if I'm not going to be using them. I'm just disappointed because I just really wanted to go on a weekend away. And I mean, it's not canceled yet, so cross your fingers. And tomorrow, I think I'm going to start with brown. I definitely want to separate some of those embellishments. And then that'll be good in my scrap room, like to use in my scrap room, but also when I make page kits like this. And I think I'm going to do a layout tomorrow. Usually when I get, you know, sad or, you know, something like that happens, I kind of usually wallow for one day. And then I say, okay, you got to pick up and just still move on. So that's what I'm going to do. Even today, I did do quite a bit of stuff. Probably not as much as I probably would have, but I still did quite a bit of stuff. And the day's still young. And I'll probably go and get a cup of coffee. A cup of coffee can fix a lot of stuff, right? That might fix my blue mood, if you will. And then I can just keep going here. I'm going to put some tags in here. I'm going to put butterflies again. Again, I'm going with 50 page kits. Yes, the last maybe 5 or 6 page kits, I did put quite a few butterflies, but out of 50 page kits, that's still not a lot. So here we go. I am just obsessed with the butterflies, and I can't wait for him to finish the new ones. I think it's going to be like a side view. So basically like maybe like this, and then the butterfly, like you'll just see one wing, I think. Haven't seen them yet. So I'm kind of hoping that they'll be done soon so that I can obsess about something else. Something else that I can say, ooh, I like using that. And then next week, I'm hoping that the birds, oh, I can't wait for those birds. That'll be something else. And what I like is, you know, the more that we're going, we started with, you know, foundations, and now we're really working on like the finishers. So I'm really liking those. I'm going to use words. Hopefully, I'm going to use words that, you know, can probably go for quite a few layouts. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a few that are going a different way, because I don't know where my embellishment clusters are going to be on that. So I want to make sure that I can use either or. Okay. And I know I'm going to be printing a lot of our vacation of this summer when we went to climb another mountain. So, you know, a lot of those will be used there. So that'll be good. I want to get the orange file too, and get just a few orange butterflies, and then I think that'll be it. That'll be the only orange stuff that I'll do, and that's fine. And I think for this time, I think I'm just going to use our stuff. Just use our stuff, add a few enamel dots, and that'll be it. So that's page number 2. I'm going to get a baggie, and I'm going to put these away, and then we have one more left. And then I have that right here. And that's the great thing about having it ready like this. I can just go and say, okay, here it is. I can bring it in. So now we'll go through this. And this already, I know I'm going to go with that dark blue. So we'll cut this out like that. Then we will use, which blue? I think this blue right here. Or maybe this blue right here. This blue right here. And we'll cut 3 of those. I find that those circles are the viewfinders, and putting a smaller circle over top makes the perfect base, a foundation base to put your clusters on. Now, which arrows am I going to take? I'm going to take these, and then I'm going to take the ones right above it to overlay. There we go. I haven't used any owls. Let's use some owls. So we'll do this little guy right here, just like that. And then, is there smaller owls somewhere? Ooh. I like that this one has the 2 colors, so we'll do that. And then we have the baby owls, if you will, in the same color. And we'll put a few owls, cutting different sizes. I'm trying not to overthink things. I find that's why it's taken me a bit of time to, you know, put embellishments. Here, let's put that on there. Put embellishments on these page kits is because I'm kind of taking too much time. So I decided that now I'm just going to cut, stick in there. And again, I hopefully will be away doing this. So I want to make sure that I have an abundance of everything. There we go. I don't think I'll get a bigger one. Don't think I'll put any flowers. I think I need some of these. And these are perfect right here. So we'll cut those because they're a different color than those. So that works good. So now we'll go through the containers and add a few things. And that's going to be it for this time. I'm going to be happy with those 3 page kits. Let's put that in there. Unless the pictures were taken on a Sunday. Probably won't use them, but if it's not in there, you know, when I look at the page kit, when I'm trying to put pictures in there, I want to make sure when I look at it, if I see Sunday, then I'm like, oh, wait, maybe these pictures were taken on a Sunday, you know, but if it's not in there, then not. I like this. I like this. Okay. Let me check here. Just a few more things. Let's put that phone in there. Why not? Why not? Now I have to remember to go outside and take pictures of the house today because we have been in our house for 5 years. We moved in 5 years ago today. Where does the time go? Like I remember, like we planned our house for many years. And it just seemed like it wasn't going to happen. And then all of a sudden we've been in it for 5 years. Like, what? Okay, so I got quite a bit there. here, let's see what else we can get here. And then we're going to call this good, peeps. And then I'll have 4 more page kits, which if I don't do them tomorrow, I'll try to do them on Friday. I'm hoping to do them tomorrow. Friday, I have kind of a busy day because I'm doing the first live with the girls on for the Scrapathon 8. So we're going to chat for an hour, and we'll probably make some page kits for the other 3 lives. And then the next 3 weeks, we're going to be putting those pages together. Let me see here. All right, I think that's good. I think that's good. So that's it. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. It lets YouTube know to share the video so more people will see it. And I want to thank you so much for watching.